Hand in is a very important phrasal verb in English. It means to submit work or assignments to a teacher, boss, or authority figure. When you hand in something, you give it to the person who asked for it, like homework or a report. This expression is used every day in schools and offices. Listen to this example. Please hand in your homework by Friday. This means the teacher wants students to submit their homework before Friday ends. Hand in tells us to give the completed work to the teacher. The deadline is important to remember. Here is another example. I need to hand in my resignation tomorrow. This means a person must submit their resignation letter to their boss the next day. Hand in shows giving an official document to someone in charge. It is used in workplaces. Students must hand in their projects on time. This sentence means students need to submit their projects before the deadline passes. Hand in reminds us that timing matters when giving work to teachers. Late submissions are usually not accepted. She forgot to hand in her essay yesterday. This means the student did not submit her written assignment on the required day. Hand in shows what happens when someone misses the submission time. Forgetting creates problems with teachers. Hand in has similar expressions: submit, turn in, and give in. Submit work means the same as hand in work. Turn in means deliver your assignment. Give in means present your document. All these words help you say the same idea differently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.